Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, Lort Cha Noodles. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. Evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the sauce. The sauce all mixed together. Heating up some oil in the wok. Add the onion and the garlic and saute. The jacuzzi is ready to go. The rice noodles are in the jacuzzi. Then I add the carrots, the bell pepper, and the bean sprouts. And then I add the fish. The noodles are ready. I add the noodles to the wok and stir together. I add the egg and scramble and get ready. Then I mix it all together and add the sauce. Here's the finished meal in the wok. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.